Good morning, everyone. Our next topic is the polar and non-polar molecule. To discuss further in our chapter solution, we have to know about the polar and non-polar nature of the molecule, or you can say of the solvent, whatever it is. Okay, it is one of the most important topic of chemistry. Now see, what is polar and non-polar molecule? Suppose it is substance. Okay, suppose it is substance. The substance, one side is positively charged and another side is negatively charged. That means opposite charge is there. In other sense, because the charge separation is there. If in a molecule or if in an atom different, that means opposite charge separation is there, then the bond or that molecule we can say is polarized. That means polarized means one side is electron less density and another side is electron more density, which is polarized. Okay, now see, this polar concept comes from this polarized word. Now see the what is polar and non-polar. What is the basic difference between polar and non-polar molecule? In polar molecule, unequal sharing of electrons occurs. Okay, but in non-polar, equal sharing of electrons occur. This is the first topic, or the first point is on the electron density, and the next topic is the geometry. In polar molecule, unsymmetric geometry we can observe, but in non-polar molecule, symmetrical geometry we observe. Okay, now how it is symmetric or non-symmetric? See, let us take an example here. First example is the HF, hydrogen fluoride. Okay, you can say hydrofluoric acid, HF. Due to the most electronegative nature of fluorine, which have the value of nearly 4.0, and hydrogen is 2.0, due to the higher electronegativity of fluorine, the electron density of that hydrogen and the bond is little bit pulled towards this fluorine, which makes it partially negative and which make the hydrogen is partially positive. That means you can say that here is more electron density, here is less electron density. That means the molecule is polarized. Okay, that means molecule is polarized, and this polarized molecule is known as the polar molecule. Remember, this is polar molecule. Next, let's take another example of H2O. Here, this is the V-shaped structure of H2O, where due to this higher negativity, electronegativity of oxygen, the electron density will be pushed towards oxygen, which makes the oxygen is partially negative, and the hydrogen, both the hydrogen makes it partially positive charge. See here also electron density is polarized, here is negative but here is positive. It is also polarized molecule, that means polar molecule. But if we see the O2 molecule, here both the atoms is same or identical, that means oxygen both have equal tendency to pull electron towards itself, which is cancel each other, and the molecule remains unpolarized and molecule becomes non-polar. Now if you see the electron density, see it also electronegative, it also electronegative. Neither one of these two oxygen atom can completely pull the electron towards itself, which makes the molecule is equal sharing of electron. That means covalent bond. Okay, covalent nature. That's why it is non-polar. Now if we see the geometry, no, see this is geometry, symmetrical. How can you say that it is symmetrical or unsymmetrical? Now how, if we cut this way, if we cut in middle, see both are identical, no, this one oxygen and half electron, this one half bond electron. But if we cut this way, then it is symmetrical. But if we cut this way, no, it is unsymmetrical, because in up is oxygen, below is 2 hydrogen. Here also if we cut this way, then this is fluorine, this is hydrogen, unsymmetrical. Okay, now let us take another example of carbon tetrachloride. Carbon is the central and 4 chlorine atom is in tetrahedral positions. Because we know tetrahedral position is symmetric positions, all the bond pulling tendency of the 4 chlorine atoms cancelled to each other, which makes it non-polar molecule. But if you see an alcohol, suppose ethanol is there, ethanol, here is R means here ethanol, ethane group is there. I just write hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means, suppose for example here is ethane, is oxygen and hydrogen. Due to the electronegativity nature, oxygen pulls the electron towards itself, which makes it partially negative, and hydrogen becomes partially positive. See, here is simply a polarized nature develops. This is negative, this is positive, and it is not a symmetrical molecule. That's why it is polar. Polar. Okay. Our next important topic is the dipole moment. Okay, dipole moment. Dipole moment is very important. Remember, dipole moment. Dipole moment. Simple dipole moment means measure of polarization. That means how the molecule is polarized, or to how extent the molecule is polarized. Okay. Now see an example of H2O. This is oxygen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. In dipole moment concept, we just denoted the pulling character of, or pushing character of electron density by this arrow. This arrow, the sharp arrow, defines the electron pulling towards this side, and this plus type sign is denoted there. From that position or from that side, electron is pushing towards the arrow side. See, due to the higher electronegative density, electronegativity value, the electron density pulls towards oxygen. Here also, here also, the net electron density is pulling upward because of this electronegativity value of oxygen. This net electron pulling tendency of oxygen becomes its polar molecule, and the polar molecule should have some value of dipole moment, which is denoted as D. D means dipole moment. Dipole moment, which is not equal to 0. That means it have some values. Okay. Now see the next. Now let's take example of carbon tetrachloride. There are 4 chlorine atom in the 4 tetrahedral positions. Okay, this is the sign of electron is pulling towards chlorine, which are cancelled each other due to it is in tetrahedral positions, which makes it dipole moment value is 0. Okay. But if you see the particular bond of carbon Cl, due to the higher electronegative value of chlorine, electron is little bit pushed towards chlorine, which makes it polar, and it have some dipole moment. That's why it is non-equal to 0. Not equal to 0. And one thing, due to the heavy rainfall in our area, no, some background sound is you can hear. Okay, just ignore it and try to attain or try to listen the what I'm saying. Okay. Thank you.